Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0882 TCM power input signal low code. The reason why you're getting P0882 is because when you start your vehicle is going to run a self-check or self-diagnostic. And when there is an issue, it is going to trigger the check engine light. And again, you're going to get that code. What does P0882 mean? It means that the TCM, also known as the transmission control module, it is not receiving enough power for it to function properly. It is important for the transmission control module to work properly because if it is not working properly, it cannot tell the transmission or the automatic transmission when to shift. For example, when there is higher RPM, the transmission control module will tell the automatic transmission to shift into higher gear. And when the RPM is lower, it will tell it to shift into lower gear. What symptoms should you expect when the TCM is failing? And the first and most common symptom is going to be limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature which limits the vehicle speed to 35 miles per hour and the transmission will be stuck in second gear. The next symptom is going to be the transmission is shifting erratically. If you notice the transmission is shifting erratically, or if you notice that the transmission is not shifting gears at all, that's how you know you're going to have a TCM problem. If you're getting P0882, what should you check? The first thing you should check is for a blown fuse or a bad relay for the TCM. Next, check the fuse. If it is blown, go ahead and replace it. Also, make sure to inspect the slot where the fuse is going into, because if that slot is corroded, it can cause resistance issue and it can trigger that code. Next, check the car battery voltage. A good car battery voltage should be at least 12.4 to 12.6 volts with the vehicle off. Next, check the connection on the transmission control module. Make sure to remove the connector and inspect the connector. Make sure the connector is not corroded. Also, make sure to inspect the pins on the transmission control module. Make sure the pins also are not corroded as well. Next, you're going to need a wire diagram and you're going to check the connection between the TCM and the ECM. And you're going to check the wire. You're going to check for resistance. If there is resistance, that's how you know you're going to have a wire issue that's linking between the TCM and the ECM. And lastly, if you can't figure out what the problem is, you might actually have a bad TCM. So what you want to do is you want to remove the casing and you want to inspect the inside. Look at the circuit board. Check for discoloration. If you see any burnt mark on the circuit board, that's how you know the circuit board is fried. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.